Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. The last 24 hours have been super volatile in the crypto market. I mean, if you pay attention to what has happened, we saw a really good spike up in the first 12 hours and the next 12 hours put us back exactly where we were. I mean, for Dogecoin, we have fallen back to the 14.4 cents, breaking the 15-cent support. But if we talk about the trading volume, it's still sitting at a pretty decent amount above 1 billion. There are some driving factors which are catalysts which will be coming in very soon, such as the meme coin index that just launched that will be tracking all the performance of all the tokens. Dogecoin leaps past Ethereum in Robinhood's first quarter user holding. That says a lot. And at the same time, JP Morgan Chase discloses Bitcoin ETF holding that can actually pump up the price significantly. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people see the positive side of Dogecoin, they decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. Right now, social engagement is super important and I keep mentioning that, and you guys will see the effect of it in the next coming month. I do want to mention something important, which is Dogecoin has lost a spot to Toncoin, and it's not by a small margin. Rather, Toncoin is up quite a significant amount and it's up by 3 billion when it comes to the market cap. But if you look at the trading volume, it says a different story, as Toncoin is only around 800 million and Dogecoin is significantly higher. So we might be seeing a flip again very soon as the market decides to turn back into green. I mean, Bitcoin right now is struggling to just stay above the 60-cent mark, or actually the 60K mark, making sure that it does not fall short to that. On the other end, this is going to be one of the changing factors of meme tokens. Now keep in mind, pretty much the last bull market, meme tokens were not very big. I mean, yes, they were making people a lot of money, but what did happen is a lot of people did not trust them. There was no legal things or legal bindings that was holding it together. But seeing an index being released for meme tokens, that's a very good way. And keep in mind, let's just say Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe, WIF, Flocky, and Bonk, each capped at 30% weighing, is going to be impacting this index. So if you don't want to worry about how much you want to put in each, just buy this index and you will be completely fine. Even if either of them pump, you're going to be in profit. Simple as that. Now, Dogecoin leaps past Ethereum in the Robinhood's first quarter user holding. Users love meme tokens. Now, this is a big deal. If Bitcoin was the thing that we beat, it would be crazy. But if we just talk about in general, seeing that Dogecoin is being held more by the users of Robinhood than Ethereum says a lot in terms of what the people are wanting right now. Now, this simply means that there is a lot of people that want to see Dogecoin succeed over Ethereum. And you guys know most of the crypto industry usually has the second largest holding as Ethereum, and Dogecoin beating Ethereum. Therefore, on Robinhood, when it comes to cryptocurrency, second most held crypto is actually Dogecoin, which says some big numbers there. Talking about JP Morgan, if you guys do not know, one of the largest money-making firm out there, which is an investment bank, but JP reveals a substantial Bitcoin ETF holding, highlighting a significant involvement in crypto. The bank include shares in previous Bitcoin ETF totaling over 800,000 in value. Discloses underscore strategic approve growing institutional interest in digital asset. Now, this is a big deal. I mean, the money that they have put into Bitcoin is not so substantial, but seeing that they're still, buying into the ETF, this is a really positive sign for what is yet to come. Talking about Dogecoin, yesterday I mentioned how we need to be able to make sure that this rally, which we were receiving yesterday, needs to keep climbing for us to get into that bull market that everyone is waiting for. If we do break short, then we will be going back to the previous support, and that's exactly what has happened. If you pay attention to what happened in the last 24 hours, so we saw the rally up, and straight after there was a small sell-off which put us back to where we were. And that's not only Dogecoin that suffered the same thing, it's actually the whole crypto market that did exactly the same thing. Yesterday I was talking about how this is a historic day, because since Bitcoin halving event, yesterday was the first day where the whole market was in green. There was not a single token that was in red, but you can see that Doge has fallen back into the 14.4 cent. Now I do want to mention something other important thing, which is if we're able to consolidate around this zone while Bitcoin is able to just, you know, stay above the 60k mark, when we get into the next cycle, it's gonna be a big jump and pump. Because what I'm trying to say is there is so much fear in the market right now. That's one of the reasons why we saw such a quick dip after the market took a positive turn, because if there was not much fear, people would not be selling. But right now, as soon as the market pumped a little bit, a lot of whales decided to take profit and walk away. Talking about the open interest, it has fallen short another 5%, sitting just under 650 million. Liquidations have gone bad for the long holders, as 2.2 million when it comes to long liquidations, were only 200k when it comes to short. Are we seeing a huge Dogecoin dub pattern forming on the daily? Are we going to be seeing this bottom that's already come in and see the price come up? That will be something interesting, and if it does follow through, then this will be the next thing that all of us are waiting for. I know a lot of us want to see this for Dogecoin. Dogecoin is approaching a golden cross. What does this mean for the traders? Well, in simple terms, reward long-term holders and traders if the market reading of the crypto tea leaves is correct. I mean, right now it's just going to be a crucial time to see who can actually hold the market for a long period of time, who's able to be a spot trader. If you're especially leverage trading right now, it's super risky because it's very unpredictable. Dogecoin shows a strong sign of an upcoming price surge, and this is what I mean. Every single, you go on any single platform right now, they're all talking about how Dogecoin is coming into such an important zone and it's going to be exploding. And that's exactly what I'm saying as well. As Bitcoin is clinging onto 60k, Ethereum, Dogecoin bleed, we need to make sure that Bitcoin's final move will be the most aggressive, and this will be pushing us to a big new high, which all of us are waiting for. And keep in mind, when Bitcoin will be breaking all those, most likely Doge will be breaking its all-time high very soon as well. Dogecoin gears up for 20 cents, rising off the large holders' net flow. I mean, the amount of large holders which are coming into Dogecoin right now is huge, and that's one of the reasons why the market is moving so quickly. And massive Dogecoin withdrawal stunts Robinhood amid the SEC drama. Now, SEC drama with Robinhood is becoming big, but what is bigger is the fact that Dogecoin is the second most held thing by the users of Robinhood. Therefore, there is more things to come, and you just need to be a little patient. And top 10 holders of the BlackRock Spot Bitcoin ETF, and the top holders are actually holding on to a significant amount of Bitcoin ETF. Personally, I feel like right now the ETF is going to take a little bit of time before we see some really big movement, but right now it's just about paying attention and just being a little patient. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Bitcoin might be a little risky, but it's got a long way to go. If you do enjoy the video, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, drop a like on it, and I'll see you soon.